That's a healthy price tag.
Yes, sir. But it's worth every penny.
Holy shit.
Yo, the supercharger whine is out of control. It is insane how loud that thing is. I mean, it sounds like a chorus. When you're next to me, it's and then the exhaust is I cannot believe how loud this thing is. All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate all the support. Now today what we're going to do is head out, hang out with another YouTube channel called Fila Hemi Life. And, you know, many of you guys have seen him up on the channel. We've probably hung out a billion times in the last 3 years or so, but he went out and traded his cammed RT for a Hellcat Redeye. So we're gonna go out, maybe, you know, hit up the highway, do some accelerations, burnouts or whatnot. Fila's a great guy. His YouTube channel is going to be in the description. He's definitely going to be modding up that Redeye. He did a great job with his RT. So if anybody's interested in Redeye content, I suggest that you definitely give him a look. So with all of that being said, let's get into it.
Alright guys, welcome YouTube. It's your boy Fila Hemi Life. We live out here with the 2020 Frostbite Redeye. One of 11 made this year. That's right, I have one of 11 made in this demonstration of Frostbite. Check it out.
So wait, did you customly make this, or you came across this, or you were searching for the Frostbite?
I came across this. I searched and searched and searched. I found 3 of them. One was in Pittsburgh, one was in North Carolina, and the other was out in California.
So how far did you have to drive in order to get this thing?
I drove all the way to Cary, North Carolina. It was 8 hours according to the GPS, but we got there in 6.5.
And it was well worth it.
Well worth it. This is a dream car. Unbelievable car. If you want a Hellcat, look for a Redeye. Unbelievable.
Yeah, that 797 is nice, right?
797, and make sure you get the 309 gears.
Yep.
That sets it all off.
Now, to give people a history that haven't seen you, you used to have the Thundercat, which was a cammed 5.7.
Yes, sir.
And
it was the first one in the country to have the 2-tone roof. It was red and silver combination. It had stage 1, stage 2, you know, the cam and everything, the Mopar kit. I loved it. But this is incredible. This is just dreamy. One of my friends, my good friends, Dutch Kag on IG, he has a 2019 Redeye. And I was just like, wow, man, you hear that thing? It convinced me to go get it.
It's ferocious.
Oh,
yeah.
Man, this is the level of unbelievable automobile in history. It's unbelievable. Incredible.
Now, did you do like a mid-muffler or anything like that yet?
I haven't got around to none of that yet.
So nothing performance-wise?
Nothing performance at this moment.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's hear what a stock Redeye sounds like.
Track mode and let you hear.
sounding good, man.
Yeah, also with that Hellcat, they don't let you rev over 4,500 or 4,000, something like that.
Okay.
It stops you, so it's like a rev limiter or something.
Let's see that inside here. Oh, brand new, man. Everything is brand new. How many miles have you put on it?
Wow, I'm like 1,600 already. Wow.
Yeah.
I've been driving her. Well, when I bought her, she had 20 miles on her. But they said that's the way she came from the factory. Nobody's been sitting in it or nothing. It was 500 miles away that I got her, so by the time I got here, she was at like 513.
Okay.
And I've been driving every day. I've been going to the protest in it. It's an awesome car, man.
It's gorgeous. All right, so let's actually go through some of the things that you've already done, because from a visual standpoint, it looks great. So it looks like you just did the decaling, right?
Yeah. Okay. I rap on IG. I rap New York. You can check him out. He's the one who did the stripes, the YouTube. He did the back tail, the IG. He added this yellow to the wicker bill. He put this in from our
I like that. It's a nice cut, like little. It accents the yeah.
Those little touches is what makes your car special.
Absolutely.
And that's a little bit. I got this sticker on eBay, and I added that myself. When the light shines on it, it reflects. So like when it's parked and cars come down the street, it's reflecting, but it looks like it's reaching out at them.
That's cool.
I do this to all my vehicles. That's my custom
OG,
touch.
man. I like it.
That's me.
And I'll tell you, I just want to point out that this is the first time I've seen anybody do a wicker bill on a duck bill spoiler. Now,
SRT performance spoiler.
you're not claiming to be the first, but this is the first I've seen in person, and I'll tell you, it definitely looks good. I didn't think that they would be able to come up with a wicker bill for this duck bill because of how it kind of hangs out like that, but this makes it look a lot more aggressive, you know?
Yes, this is by PS Designs. I got it off of eBay. I have a video up with the install plexi wing on IG, installed it for me. So I'm not the first, because the owner of PS Designs has a Hellcat with the SRT performance spoiler. So that's where he was able to come up with it.
Gotcha.
Also, when I bought the car, it did not have the SRT performance spoiler. It just came with the regular Hellcat spoiler. So I changed that. This is also a video with that. I changed to the SRT performance spoiler because I knew what I wanted. I already see my vision.
Yeah, I thought that was a good move on your part, getting the new spoiler. I watched that video.
Yes.
He had the original, the original Hellcat spoiler.
Hellcat, you know, it's just straight like all the Challenger spoilers.
Gotcha.
And this option is $2,000. Dodge want $2,000. So I came home, bought the SRT performance spoiler for $5 and change on eBay, and put it on.
Yeah.
So I saved $1,500 right there.
Yep.
Because the car is expensive. I can show you the bill. I believe I still have the bill sheet. The window sticker rather.
That's a healthy price tag.
Yes, sir. But it's worth every penny. Man, you think about it. This kind of car for $92,000 you can have, and you can beat some Lamborghinis and some Ferraris.
Yeah.
Easily.
Yeah.
They mad when they see this car because they like, dang, I spent $300,000. Look at that. The green belt. The supercharger's slightly bigger, right?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more boost.
Yep.
Open air cold intake. They said this already has a cold air intake, but the other Hellcats, they have the closed design.
Yeah, I would imagine even like getting an intake, you probably wouldn't notice anything based on what you have in place already, you know.
Except for the noise, because this is kind of thick.
What you had it in sport mode. right? And what gear?
Custom mode.
Custom mode? Okay.
So there's eco mode, custom mode, sports, track. I put it in custom because when you put it in sport, she gets real dancing. And you don't want her dancing on the highway.
Yeah, no, definitely not. So what were you in, like third gear or something like that?
Yeah, I was going to third and fourth.
Okay.
Third and fourth.
Gotcha.
Playing with the paddles. That's new. I am a stick shift driver. My Thundercat was a stick shift, but this is new. And
what do you like? Do you like it better having the 8-speed, or would you have preferred to get this in a manual?
Honestly, with all this power, I think the automatic is fine.
Yeah.
With all this power, I think even with the stick shift, you could control the power, but I think I would be a little out of control.
Gotcha.
A little out of control.
Yep.
Shackle on the beat.
I was feeling going